Hello Internet, this is how you solve for vapor pressure of solution when given two pure vapor pressures. Okay, first you read your problem and you figure out what you know and don't know. In this situation we know our mass and our pure vapor pressure of both of the given substances. Okay, how are we going to get our unknown, which is vapor pressure of solution? Well, we're going to use Raoults Law, or at least a version of it, which is right here. Vapor pressure of solution is going to be equal to the mole fraction of the solvent times the pure vapor pressure of the solvent, plus the mole fraction of the solute times the pure vapor pressure of the solute. Okay, how do you get mole fraction? Well, that's easy. You got to figure out your moles, and you take your mole fraction, which is equal to your either solute or solvent on top divided by the total amount of moles. Don't forget Hauss factor, it is very important. It is the amount of charged ions in an electrolyte. This situation, it does not have any, so it's going to be 1. Okay, let's figure out what our moles are so we can compute this, which right here we have a stoichiometrics formula. And we get 0.034 moles and 0.159 moles. Now let's put that in the mole fraction formula, which is right here. Okay, we have 0.159 moles divided by the total, and we have 0.82, and then for the other side we'll have 0.18. If you don't want to solve both sides, what you can do is basically take your 0.82, which you solved for this, which is your solvent, and you're just going to subtract that from 1, because this, the solvent plus the solute mole fraction, should add up to 1. In this circumstance, 0.82 plus 0.18 does equal 1. So that's how you basically can check it or do it faster. Now what we're going to do is we're going to plug all of our results right into the formula. We're going to take our mole fraction of the solvent, 0.82, times the 332 torr, which is its pure vapor pressure, plus the 0.18 times the 295 torr. That's for our solute. And we're going to get 325 torr for our answer. That is how you solve for two pure vapor pressures, or just the vapor pressure of the solution given two pures. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If I did this way too fast, please let me know and I will slow it down. I wanted to try something different and just say it faster and see if people can still understand. Have a great day. Hydrate. Leave criticisms down below. Good night.